May be used for hand drying or general purpose cleaning. Package dimensions: 58.42 h by 21.336 l by 40.385 w centimeters. Package weight: 10.251 kilograms. Country of origin: United States. Hard wound roll towels. Top reviews from the United States. Satisfying quantity, even balance of papery, cottony feel, makes it versatile. Such a satisfying and abundant source here. I've always wanted to have endless supply of paper towels to clean, as it seems to be one of the only things that really works for cleaning. This paper is solid soft, there's tones of it, and it could be used to wipe windows as well as removing makeup from the face. It doesn't feel as absorbent as you'd want at first, but the trick is to use smaller amounts and keep the paper folded up semi-neatly so as to wipe with a flat fold. Just a tip. Besides that, paper is slightly thick. Some might take a few contacts to adjust.